Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to give you step-by-step tutorial on how to use Photon. So this video is going to cover everything you need to know in order to start using this tool. Now, in order to log in and access Photon, we need to connect Phantom Wallet extension with it. For that, we will head over to Chrome Web Store and make sure to add Phantom Wallet's extension from there. Once we are done doing that, we'll come back and hit Connect Wallet button. After that, you would see this window popping up. Here we can download and generate our photo trading wallet by clicking on Generate button. From here, we can find our Photon trading wallet's address and its private key. I highly recommend you to save this private key somewhere safe in order to protect and access your wallet. Deposit some Solana in your wallet or simply hit Continue. After that, we are good to start trading. This is the main interface of Photon, which includes this New Pairs section, consisting of all the newly created pair of tokens in the last 24 hours, and they update in real time. This allows us to find new coins as early as possible, and it includes all the information on the screen to determine whether it is a good buy or not. And above are these main options to sort out things even more. It shows your present connected wallet, the amount of presets you can make, and the main filters to sort out your search. We will check these step by step. The DEXs shows the platforms included in your search of coins. Here you see this quick buy option, to which you can set a fixed amount according to your preference, allows you to buy on a single click. For example here, we can simply do it by clicking on this button right here. Now coming back to filters section, here you can click this and set filters according to your preference. These above two options make sure if the newly created coin is 100% safe. You might want to turn them off when finding coins early as possible. For example, these are the settings you can use. Here I have enabled LP burned, because most coins when released are LP burned enabled. I have also selected at least one social for authenticity. You can further select minimum market cap and volume like I have done here. While moving from that, you can head over here and from this tab, select Settings. Here you will see a couple of options you might want to look at. So I have my slippage set to 16.0%. You might want to turn it a bit up because these coins are so volatile since we on Solana. On above it also describes what this means so you can get a better idea of it. And below I have turned off this protection because it makes your transactions slower but secure. In order to get faster transactions, you can disable it. You will find a couple of other options right here. You can set this priority fee according to your preference, though I am keeping it to default. You can also find quick buy presets which you can edit for yourself. Like here as an example, I have selected this coin and this is the main dashboard. Below you will be able to access these different sections right here. You can see amount of transactions with details, you can see your holdings, top traders, etc. If you take a look at this data and security section, you can see the total amount top 10 holders own. Now, in order to make a purchase, what we can do is head over to these buy and sell options right here. Here we can see the quick buy presets. We modified earlier, including this advanced settings right here, which we already sorted out. Now to make a transaction, we can simply type in the amount right here and click on this button. We can also set limit orders by clicking on these options right here. For this, I have already made a video you can check out on the channel. After you have placed an order, you can check its status by simply going to this order section right here. To check available balance on your wallet, you can go and click on this icon right here. Here you will find the available balance in your wallet, and you can also deposit more Solana into it through your Phantom wallet by clicking on this deposit button. In order to withdraw, you can head over to this withdraw section right here, and it will also show you your withdrawal history along with the details. And they also have this trending section and meme scope, which specifically include token pairs from Pump.Fun and Moonshot. Well, with that, this video comes to an end. This video covered all of the details you need to know in order to start trading on this platform, along with tips. If you had stayed this far, do consider subscribing to the channel and share the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, take care.